guys, I hope you are doing well. Welcome to my channel. In this clip, I want to show you how we can have a GIF recorder in Unity. Imagine we want to make a replay system for our game or our project, which we want to save it as a GIF in our assets folder. So this technique will help us. Okay, first, we should come over here inside this chaman and moments. I will share the link of this plugin in the description of this video. We just need to download the zip and import the moments recorder and these two folders into your projects folder. After that, whenever you import this, you will see, because this plugin for it almost 6 years ago, so the compiler has been changed, and you will see some errors. I propose to just make comment these lines, which they are related to main attribute, but for this one, this one, this one, and this one, make them comment to be able to use this plugin. After you do these steps, you'll see the moments recorder. There is two folders, and the main is scripts and also demo. In the demo, you will see it is a simple scene. Whenever I play the scene, some cubes are falling down on this yellow cube, and whenever we press space, we will see that we are recorded GIF for the last moment of I press the space button, and it saves the GIF file in the disk assets folder of this project. First of all, let me choose this one to be able to see the information here. Look at this. Press space to export buffered frames to a GIF file. Now I'm pressing space. Look at this, it's recorded and it has been saved in this address. Okay, and now we should come over here. As you can see, it is inside GIF capture, and this is their name. This is it. This is the GIF of my last moments of my game. Okay, if you want to change this information, you should come over here into the main camera. You will see moments recorder, and this is the compression quality. If you make it, for example, 5, it will be, but it will have better quality. Or in this record script, as you can see, you have access to the calling this function. For now, it is a space. You can call these functions, these save function, and set this variable in any component or any script you want here. So it is a good, helps us to have access to this recording system to anywhere we want. Okay, I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Don't hesitate to ask any question related to Unity, AR, VR, and XR. Subscribe my channel and like this video if you like it. Have a great time. Bye bye.